Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account accepts friends, go to Settings and enable friend requests. This matters because blocked requests stop everything. Next, use the Roblox search bar or the in-game player list to type an exact username. Misspellings waste time. Once found, open their profile and check mutual games and groups to verify they are real. If you see many friends or shared servers, that increases the chance they'll accept. Now you send the actual friend request, but don't stop there. Attach a concise message explaining who you are and why you'd like to connect. Brief context raises acceptance rates. Then join the same game instance or group so you can interact in real time. Voice chat or text chat builds trust. Make sure to verify their profile badges and mutual friends first. This helps avoid fake accounts. If accepted, follow up with a quick hello to start playing together. Finish by confirming the connection. If the request stays pending for 24 to 48 hours, send a friendly follow-up messaging game or in group chat. If your requests consistently fail, double-check your privacy settings and the other users' settings. Also look at your blocked list. When things go wrong, like suspicious profiles or spam, block and report immediately. Do not share passwords. Once connected, set expectations for playtimes and boundaries so your new friend stays a positive part of your Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.